see it's a dead end. Let's see, I don't know if this is a park? What is this? Conservatory Park. Park closed. Let me turn around. I don't know what's going on back here. I don't want to be where I'm not supposed to be. What's going on, everybody? I'm getting ready to take you over the bridge, look at the docks, circle a little neighborhood that I want to try to go in. Let's get started. I'm going to pedal a little bit first because I want to save some of my battery. I don't know how long I'm going to ride today. So before I start hitting the throttle, I'm just going to pedal, use the pedal assist. I think I'm in mode 1 at the moment. Yeah. Cut it up a little bit. Pedal assist too. Oh, that's a little better. Yeah, I already worked out this morning. I was supposed to go to jiu-jitsu, but I had to change of plans, so I ended up working out at home, riding my bike for 45 minutes, or no, 40 minutes, and then lifting weights. Right. A lot of people out here at the dock. They like to party and drink over in this area. Watch out. Right. Make sure I can get across. Get you a look at what's going on out here. Let's go. Kickstand up. Give you guys a better look. All right, guys, let's get going. I'm working past 32. Past the first time I've gotten it over 31. I think it was 31 before. 31 on a flat. 32 going down the hill. I don't want to push it all the way. Still my second or third time riding this bike. I'm not trying to get fancy so quickly. All right. All right, let's get out into the street. So this neighborhood is at the end of on the other side of the bay. Today I have enough battery. I still forgot to charge it up all the way, but I left with about 85%, which is more than enough for what I need to do today. See, there's that sound with that brake. Let's see. All right, let's keep going. Neighborhood all too well. You know what? Let's go back and explore that turn I just witnessed. Let's see what's back there. All right, here we go. That looks interesting. Let's make a right. You know, I may be pulling on the brakes too hard. Perhaps that's why I get that sound. Because I checked it. Everything seems to be in place. Oh, looks like a park back there. I was watching a video earlier and the guy was on the Super 73 was saying there's this little nut right behind or right in front of the brake that if you adjust it, it'll help take care of a lot of the sounds that you might be getting. I'll work on that in the future. This is taking me out to a street. A street I do not know. I know what street that is. Okay. Let's go back in that park. Let's see if we can see if there's a park back there. I'm gonna order a mirror for this today. I do have a rear view mirror. I was gonna put it on my other scooter, but I may end up putting it on this one. So we'll see when I get home, but I do need to put a mirror on this thing. Stop talking about it. So I fully charged it this time. The last time when I first started with this, let's see, it's a dead end. Let's see, I don't know if this is a park? What is this? Conservatory Park. Park closed. Let me turn around. I don't know what's going on back here. I don't want to be where I'm not supposed to be. All right. Gonna go back up where I came from. All right. Let's see if I can cut up the pedal assist a little bit more. Okay. When it gets to 20, I have it on 5, but when it gets to 21, it stops. Can't put any more power into it. No one's behind me. Here we go. Up a hill, 29 up a hill, 29 up a hill. This is maybe a what, 10, I don't know, 10% incline. All right. Let me see if I can turn down the neighborhood to get back out of here. Put on my headlights, make sure people see me. I'm gonna turn right up here. See if I can get back out of here same way I came. Cul-de-sac. All right. Cul-de-sac. Man, it sure is nice to be out in the sunshine. Cool breeze. You know, when I first started, I have some other vehicles I ride too. When I first started, I thought it would be hot to ride in let's go back out into the street. I thought it would be hot to ride in these neighborhoods, or excuse me, to ride in a helmet, but actually it's pretty cool. Let's cut behind here. Yeah. Cut down the pedal assist. Cut down 3. Cut it down to 2. Let's see, let's cut it down to 1. I want to use it. I want to work a little bit. Not that much. Cut it to 2. You know, even when I'm riding my road bike, I love to go through the parking lots and do circles. I don't know, something about just being outdoors. I remember when I was young, because I thought about it, I said, why do I like to be outside so much? Why do I like, you know, e-bikes, scooters, motorcycles, those kind of things? And I thought about, you know, when I was younger, I used to be out all the time riding bikes. I grew up in Fort Bragg, North Carolina, and Texas, Virginia, etc., Oklahoma even, and I used to ride my bike all the time. I would go as far as I would reasonably could. And so, yeah, I used to ride a lot. I would always be outside, and I said, well, shoot, now it's no different. I just like to be out and about. I like to see the world. You know, it's a good way to get exercise, a good way to just to relieve stress. I'm pretty satisfied with this Ariel Rider because you can pretty much go anywhere and do anything with it. My other scooter, the Mototech, you can do the same thing, but it's really a motorcycle frame. That Mototech, it's a motorcycle frame, and they stripped it down and made it into a scooter, you know, so people can use it and have fun. But I've seen some people develop it and seen what they really do with it, and I said, oh, that's just a motorcycle frame. All right, let's go up this road. Let's go up this bridge. Oh shoot, I was getting 31 going up the hill. 31 going up the hill on this. Okay, for those that wanted to know, how well does it climb? That has to be at least 30% incline, 25-30% incline, let's say that.
All right, thank you guys for joining me on this ride. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe.